Maintenance. Clean the filter bag regularly by tapping and then turning it inside out and shaking, but make sure you are wearing a dust mask prior to doing this. Do not wash the filter bag. Clean the motor housing after use. Check the inlet to the impeller down here for blockage against the grill, just here. Periodically check bolts and nuts are secure. Check the plastic collection bag for holes and tears and replace it if necessary. Listen for any irregular vibration or imbalance. Check the connecting hose between the impeller and the main body of the dust collector for holes or tears. Check the plastic hose adapter from the impeller down here to the hose for damage periodically and replace it if necessary.